believe that physics is one of the most difficult subjects in high school? I will tell you, it's not. It's actually the easiest if learned the correct way. I will give you the secrets and you will be successful as my students have been. Strong application of math in physics. Math is the language for physics. In order to communicate physics, you should use this language, and also you should apply it to understand it. Problem solving skills. This is very important. Hands-on activities, the concepts, they are all of course very important. This is also very important. In order to practice this and build the skills, these two next things are very important. No usage of calculator while learning. I am not saying that you should learn how to calculate big numbers and build that skill. No, that's not what I am saying. In fact, my job is to give you problems with easy numbers that during the process of solution, in every step, you will keep getting easy numbers, and you only deal with round and easy numbers, preferably under the 10, and you can easily just go through it without thinking too much and without trying to calculate. Just pay attention and focus on the concept and the message of the problem. So of course, if you are solving a problem and when you are solving a problem, your brain is fluently dancing, and if you stop and get to your machine and your calculator and push the buttons and come back to the problem, you will get disturbed and you will lose the fluency. Another very important thing is no formula sheet. In physics, formulas are not the things, the machines that you give them and substitute the numbers in and pick up a number from it. No, that's not what formula is in physics. The formulas in physics are actually the definitions. Most of them are actually the definitions. For example, velocity is the displacement in the unit of time. This is just describing velocity. You know what division is, right? So the math that you need for the most of the formulas are very basic and foundations, if you know what is division, if you know what is multiplication, if you really understand what is subtraction, you can know that acceleration is change in velocity in the unit of time. Velocity final minus velocity initial, isn't it change in the velocity? So acceleration is change in velocity in the unit of time. And you know also what division is. You will learn better what division is while we go through these formulas. So this is actually the definition of acceleration. I won't give you formula sheet. However, if I tell you to define acceleration, I will be satisfied only if you give me this formula. You can tell me the statement is you can write for me the sentence that acceleration is the change in velocity in the unit of time, or you can just give me this formula. Maybe your teacher does not accept it, but I will accept it because I would want to make sure my students know and understand the formulas. And for you, of course, once you can read this formula, you can always also write that sentence for your teachers. Of course, maybe in your classes you are given some problems with big numbers, and then you can use your calculator, no problem. But while you are learning and you are going through the problems that I am giving you for the steps of learning, then you would really not need calculator, and you should not use it. Now, another very important thing is repeat everything that you learn in physics. You repeat it for yourself on your own paper, not because you want to memorize it. No, it's because you are repeating to build the skills, and also you understand it better. It's all about communication. It's a two-sided communication. You get it and you also explain it. You explain it to yourself. So in this my channel there are many very short videos, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes videos, and there are several of these videos can make a lesson, and you can choose the length of the lesson on your own. However, the more you do every day, you can increase the number of lessons, and it's just like exercise, and I promise you, you will do excellent. I have experience and I know what I'm talking about. I have trained students for international competitions of Olympiad physics. I've also, and the experiences have been very successful. My students are shining my students are shining in universities, and they're sending feedbacks to schools. And I am confident if you follow my advice and go through my channel, you will be definitely very successful in physics, and physics would be one of the easiest